Okay, this is going over number 3 from 11.4 day 1. All right, and we've got a 2A table. I took the time to do all the totals real quick because oftentimes you use them in these questions. So I added up the males, added up the females, and then if you add those together, that gives you the total people here, 2,134. And same thing, add up the associate's degree, add up the bachelor's degree. All right, so part A here is just a regular probability. The chances you draw one of these 2,134, and the chances they are male. So our bottom is everybody, all the people, and we're drawing one of them and say how many are male. So your chances of getting a male are the male, which is 834 out of the total. And again, you could kind of clean this up on a calculator or whatever if you want, but I'm fine leaving it that way too. So that's your chances of happening drawing a male. Very similar for part B, the chances that they're a bachelor's degree, the same bottom number, all right? It's not a given that probability, so the bottom is everybody. And out of all those people, what are bachelors? So add up this row here, and that's the bachelor number. So it's 1456. So that's the chances you get a bachelor person out of the total. All right, part C and D here are the given that one. So probability the recipient is female, given that they're associates. Okay, so what I kind of do is you're going to highlight either a row or a column here, right? And so it's given that it's associates. So we're looking at just these associate people here. Okay, and so we want to know out of those associate people, what is the chances you get a female? Okay, so the bottom number here is all the associate people. Okay, so kind of this back part is the denominator. Okay, so that's the 678. And out of those associate people, how many are female? So it's not all the females. It's just out of these associates we highlighted, how many are female? And that's this number right there. So it's 433 out of the 678 associate people. Okay, pick another color, do the last one here. Or D. All right, so given that the degree is not associate, given that it's male. Okay, so I'm going to highlight again. I'm going to highlight the male. So this time we've got a column of all the males, and our denominator is all the males, which is 843. And then we want to know out of those males, again, this is our denominator, out of those males, which ones do not have an associate. So out of these ones, the non-associate ones is this number. Right, so out of these 843, the ones that don't have an associate are the 598. Right, so that the numerator has to be part of the denominator, right? It's not going to be all the bachelors or whatever. It's just going to be out of these 843, right, which is not a 598. Again, you could clean these up, but it's fine just leaving them that way too. Okay, hopefully that covers it. Thanks for watching.